Tornado warning! First alert, WX-167. Hello everybody, this is Supercell, yes, and I'm here with these awesome people.
South Command.
Well, the guy who's an autistic with COVID-19.
Your IRL friend who brags about his coverage of Imperial County, California, the M12.
Michael Jackson said, "Yeah, Sparkle 100."
Alright, today we are unboxing not one, not two, not three, but 4 weather radios. So, let's unbox the first package on the left. Shoot, where did I put my scissors? I put my scissors somewhere. Where are they? Here they are. Alright, inside here we have newspaper stuff. Alright, this is one of the mystery radios, you guys. Ready to know what they are?
Oh boy, I wonder what it is. Me too.
Alright, my friends, are you ready to see what the mystery weather radio is?
Oh boy, I wonder what it is.
Oh yeah.
It's a radio.
Oh my God.
That's what it is. Oh.
Alright, my guys. This is the Maxon WX-3. Put the AC adapter somewhere. Here it is. To ensure and hope for perfect operation, we're going to have to press all the buttons, flick all the switches, and turn all the knobs. Those are nice buttons.
Real.
Antenna.
Sorry. I'm so sorry. Sorry.
Also, this is my first ever 3-channel radio. It only has channel 1, channel 4, and channel 7.
I mean, hey, at least you might be able to get KIG 78 with it.
Yeah,
WXL.
that's for sure.
Quadruple days. WX-3.
WXL 87. Oh yeah, that is on channel 7.
Yeah, that's.
But it can't get KXI 83. Let's move these aside. We're gonna go ahead and plug it in and see if it works. Plug it in right here. Go plug her in.
Just dies immediately.
All right, 3, 2, 1. You better not jinx it, dude. All right, I'm gonna plug it in 3, 2, 1.
Jinxes it.
Jinxes it.
It's not working. Only kidding. I forgot to turn the volume knob up.
You know, for sure, and you know.
Oh, I forgot to turn the surge protector on, you guys.
You know what they say, it's all and giggles until someone giggles and
What the heck?
That looks like some of that Peter.
Alright, so it turns out the radio doesn't work.
Someone actually shakes and giggles.
Just kidding, I forgot to turn the surge protector on.
Wow. You got a lot.
Alright. Weather? Yeah, no it doesn't, really. Seriously.
Does it work?
I'm getting a hum right here. Oh, I'm getting KIG 78.
Yay.
Or not. Got KIG 78 a second ago. But yeah. Alright, but now here's the big moment. I'm gonna go ahead and test this dude's siren. You guys ready for an air raid siren, you guys?
Yeah.
Alright, we're gonna test her out. If you guys hear an air raid siren, it's coming from my room. It's from one of my weather radios. All right, let's do this. 3, 2, 1.
Even though we're still doing the unboxing, so.
Yeah. What time is it there?
It's currently 8:25. What you get?
The siren works, that's for sure. I mean, of course, this weather radio is also old. This is a good adapter for it, but I'm not too sure if it's gonna be that good. But we're gonna keep it on LED for now, just in case stuff happens. Because right now I'm getting a I got KIG-78 for a sec, but yeah. Now let's move on to the next weather radio. Oh great, where are my scissors? Place my scissors somewhere.
Keep getting abducted.
My scissors keep getting stolen. Here are my scissors. Let's unbox this one next. In the box, we have an adapter, and we have the one, the only Maxx Digital MX-CR1 and CR01NW with a loose battery cover.
All I know is that the radio. All I know is that radio is similar to the Compel OCR2W, which I actually own.
It actually looks pretty small. Anyways, yeah. Here's my palm. It's pretty much the size of my palm.
That and the Compel OCR2W look pretty similar. So.
Yeah.
They look rip-offs of each other.
Yeah. I wonder who made which first.
It's like how the Motorola looks like a rip-off of the Sanji and CL100, even though the Motorola was.
The Motorola came first.
Which Motorola?
Yeah.
I'm not sure if the Motorola MWR39 is as good for AMGXing as the CL100 is.
All right.
It is.
All right. I'm gonna be plugging in this weather radio. Oh, that looks really nice. All right. Anyways, we're gonna press all the buttons, flick all the switches, and turn all the knobs. There are no knobs on here. Interesting. And now we're gonna plug in the radio, see if it works. 3, 2, 1. All right. Turns on.
Let's see it.
See. I don't think he's gonna show us. Unless he's waddling.
Button beeps work. Yeah, it works. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and set the radio up. It is currently 4:31 p.m.
It's 31 right.
It's in those
It's 31. It's just 31.
It's 31.
All right.
31.
Alarm, we're not gonna set that up. County. Any, yeah, we'll leave it there.
31.
Alert type, voice, language, nope. New alerts, we're not going to set that up. Defeat siren, we're not going to do that in this video. Siren level, I think it probably says. But yeah, alright, let's hear the siren, you guys, in 3, 2, 1. That's a pretty cool siren. Oh yeah, we do need to set the channel. How do we do that?
Radio number 3.
Wind was variable at 7 miles an hour. Pressure was 29.6.
Alright, weather band works.
Nearby locations. It was mostly sunny.
Testing reception, I see.
Alright, so reception does work on this radio, which is great news. As soon as I find my scissors again, we're going to do the next radio. And here they are. Alright, I already partially opened this box right here. Alright, next radio in the box is a really nice looking RadioShack 12-247A. Now what we're going to do is turn all the knobs, flick all the switches, and turn all the knobs. Oh, press the buttons, flick switches, and turn all the knobs. Oh, you switched the channel using this button. Oh, they actually have the new one. So yeah, we're going to place that on channel 1.
Richard Reichel, and he doesn't know yet. I'd like to warn Peter Griffin.
Alright, so now we're going to be able to plug that in 3, 2, 1. Alright, send the antenna and test the radio reception. Geez, that's even raspier than my Midland 74-210. It still gets KIG 78 pretty good, but now we're going to go ahead and test the siren. Alright, we're going to test in 3, 2, 1. We're going to hold down the button. We're going to do that in 3, 2, 1. The siren comes a few seconds after I hold down the button, so yeah. That's actually a pretty loud siren. Wow. Now on to the last box. We're going to see what we have inside this very package. Oh dang, they had the plug in there pretty good. Wow. That's actually a bit large. Here's my palm. Anyways, this, my friends, is the RadioShack 12-251.
Based. I shall show mine.
No, you should not.
No,
Yeah.
I care.
Here it is. Here's the weather radio in all of its glory. It's a really old one. I think it's probably one of the first SAME radios that came out. All right, now, without further ado, we're going to go ahead and press all the buttons, turn all the knobs, and flick all the switches. Oh, so this one actually is a programming feature. All right, without further ado, we're going to go ahead and plug it in 3, 2, 1. Alright, now I'm going to have to learn how to set this up.
Oh boy, it's gonna be just like when I was setting up my VC370 CRS. You're gonna have a lot of trouble doing so because you're not familiar with the radio.
Alright, so right now I'm going to go ahead and look up the owner's manual for the 12521. It said something, that's weird.
Oh, hi, Salt Lake City.
Programming the weather radio. Your weather radio is pre-programmed to receive broadcasts for all FIPS codes. Oh, okay. Wow, that's going to be easy.
Is one of the counties.
Thursday, partly cloudy. A slight chance of showers and some.
Wow, this one can actually get KG 78 pretty good. That's amazing. Just confirm. Alright. Let's see. L1 in the FIPS code, the FIPS, blah blah blah. L1 in the FIPS code storing the first memory location flash. Set program operate to operate if you do not press report, blah blah blah. Change FIPS codes. I don't think I'm going to do that because it's usually pre-programmed to receive all FIPS codes. Testing the weather radio. So yeah, we're going to go ahead and switch it over to operate. Alright. In the United States, the NWS broadcasts test alert every week on Wednesday between 11 a.m. and 1 p.m. You know what? That's actually sort of true because Minnesota, because NWS Chanhassen or Twin Cities usually test it at 1 p.m. So
in most Florida stations, they also test between 6 and 8 p.m.
And as for LMK stations, they also test on Tuesday at 6 p.m.
To adjust the tone you hear when the weather radio sounds an alert, see setting the alert volume on page 24.
Okay,
Setting the
we'll
alert
take that.
volume, rotate
Oh,
tone
so
to high or low to decrease it.
So yeah, this one's actually getting KG78 pretty good.
1 at Daggett, 97 at Victorville Airport, and 99 at Palmdale.
They've been doing it every year.
I like that button beep. That's really nice.
Nowhere KSL is not related to SBR.
All right.
Now we're gonna go ahead and set it up with the others.
Demo.
After 28 minutes and 5 seconds of unboxing, here are the weather radios I have. Well, also the intro, that might be up to like, who knows, 28 minutes, 30. Hopefully, I guess it's pretty good. Anyways, we have all 4 of these radios set up. There's still one more radio to come, so stay tuned for that unboxing video. Other than that, I'm Supercell EAS, and these are the cool dudes right here.
21 Pilot Simp, South Cal, man, San Diego.
Admiral Guy.
BM12, your local Imperial head.
The Michael Jackson Simp EAS Sparkle 100.
Amtrak fan
Solar System fan from Southern California.
Alright, so Amtrak fan 2115 joined, or whatever his name is.
I'm SoCal EAS Alerts, or sometimes I call myself SCP Amtrak EAS.
Yeah, he goes by SoCal EAS Alerts on YouTube.
Oh, cool. Alright, but anyways, these are my 4 new radios that I set up. Can't wait to hear them all go off for future weather events and for the next test. So stay tuned for that. Anyways, this is Supercell EAS. I hope you enjoyed the video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more content. That's it.